Did you know that long before your blood sugar rises, your body has been silently struggling with insulin resistance for decades? Let's uncover the cellular secrets today. Imagine your cells are like a house, but the locks on the doors have become rusty and jammed. Sugar is trapped outside in your bloodstream, causing chaos. This is insulin resistance. When the insulin key can no longer open the door, glucose cannot enter to provide energy, leaving your cells starving while blood sugar spikes. Your pancreas works over time, desperately pumping out more insulin to force those doors open. It is a silent battle that eventually leads to total organ exhaustion. Insulin resistance is the true precursor to type 2 diabetes. If we do not fix the cellular locks now, the damage to your system will become permanent. Today, we are going to analyze how 3 specific superfoods can intervene at the cellular level to repair these broken locks and protect your vital pancreas. Our first superfood is organic apple cider vinegar. The secret power lies within the acetic acid and the beneficial bacteria known as the mother. Research shows that consuming vinegar before a meal can increase insulin sensitivity by up to 34%. It acts like a cellular locksmith for your body. Acetic acid acts as a gatekeeper. It slows down the digestion of carbohydrates in the small intestine, preventing a sudden rush of sugar into your blood. By flattening the glucose curve, your pancreas doesn't have to produce massive amounts of insulin. This prevents the dangerous peaks and valleys that cause insulin resistance. Always use a straw to protect your tooth enamel and ensure the vinegar is well diluted. This simple habit can drastically change your metabolic response to food. However, listen to your body first. If you have a history of stomach ulcers or gastritis, consult your doctor before making this a daily routine. Next, we have broccoli sprouts. These tiny greens contain a concentration of sulforaphane up to 100 times higher than the mature, full-grown broccoli plant. Sulforaphane is a powerful compound that acts as a bodyguard for your pancreas. It triggers a natural defense system within your cells called the NRF2 pathway. This pathway is your body's ultimate antioxidant shield. It helps protect the delicate beta cells in your pancreas, which are responsible for producing all your insulin. By reducing oxidative stress, sulforaphane prevents the inflammation that leads to pancreatic failure. It even helps your liver reduce the amount of excess sugar it produces. Here is a pro tip. You must chop or chew the sprouts to activate an enzyme called myrosinase. This is what creates the active sulforaphane compound. Wait 40 minutes after chopping before you cook or eat them. This allows the chemical reaction to complete, maximizing the medicine available in every single bite. Adding just a small handful of these sprouts to your salads or smoothies daily provides a massive boost to your metabolic health and cellular protection. Our third superfood category involves chia and flax seeds. These tiny powerhouses are essential for anyone looking to stabilize their blood sugar and protect kidneys. When chia seeds get wet, they form a thick gel. Inside your digestive tract, this gel acts as a physical barrier that slows the absorption of sugar. This slow-release mechanism ensures that your insulin levels remain steady throughout the day. Plus, they are packed with heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids for extra benefits. But be careful, not everything labeled health food is good for you. You must learn the art of reading labels to find the hidden metabolic traps. Always calculate your net carbs. High fiber content in seeds like flax and chia effectively cancels out the impact of carbohydrates on your blood sugar levels. Beware of maltodextrin. It is often hidden in sugar-free products, yet its glycemic index is even higher than table sugar. It can ruin your progress instantly. Seeds are also rich in magnesium. This mineral is a critical cofactor that helps your insulin receptors work properly, finally unlocking those stubborn cellular doors. Without enough magnesium, your cells stay locked regardless of how much insulin you have. Chia seeds provide the raw materials needed for cellular communication and repair. By combining these 3 superfoods, you create a powerful synergy. Vinegar opens the doors, sprouts protect the factory, and seeds provide the necessary fiber. Don't forget to check your vitamin D levels. A deficiency can worsen insulin resistance. Also, ask your doctor for a HOMA-IR test to see your true status. Reversing insulin resistance is a journey, not a sprint. Start today, listen to your body, and take control of your health. See you in the next video. The science is clear. Small dietary changes yield massive metabolic results. Understanding these molecular interactions is the first step toward a longer, healthier life for you. Your liver and pancreas are partners. When you reduce the sugar load, you allow these organs to heal from years of overwork and systemic inflammation. Vitamin D is more than just a vitamin. It's a hormone that regulates insulin secretion. Ensuring your levels are optimal is a non-negotiable part of healing. Tracking your data can be empowering. Seeing how these superfoods keep your levels stable provides the motivation needed to stick with these healthy life changes. Eating for your metabolic health can be delicious. It's about choosing nutrient-dense foods that feed your cells and satisfy your hunger without the insulin spikes. The most important step is what you choose to leave out. Every time you say no to refined sugar, you are giving your pancreas a break. Complex carbohydrates bundled with fiber are your friends. They provide sustained energy without the metabolic crash that leaves you feeling tired and hungry again. High blood sugar is like shards of glass in your vessels. By stabilizing your levels, you protect your heart, your eyes, and your vital kidney function. Your brain also thrives on stable fuel. When you reverse insulin resistance, the brain fog lifts, and your mental energy levels will become more consistent. Adding cinnamon and lemon to your water is another simple trick. Every small tool in your metabolic toolbox helps build a stronger, more resilient body. Timing is everything. Your body is naturally more insulin sensitive in the morning. Try to avoid heavy meals late at night to give your system rest. A 10-minute walk after lunch can significantly lower your post-meal glucose spike. Your muscles become a sponge for sugar, assisting your overworked pancreas naturally. Preparation is the key to success. Having healthy snacks like chia pudding ready prevents you from reaching for processed convenience foods when you are in a rush. Metabolic health is the foundation of longevity. By fixing your insulin response today, you are preventing serious chronic diseases decades before they even start. Stay hydrated, stay informed, and stay consistent. Your body has an incredible ability to heal itself when given the right nutrients and the right environment. Flax seeds also contain lignans, which have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. They help reduce the systemic stress that often keeps insulin levels artificially high. When insulin is high, your body is in fat storage mode. By lowering insulin, you unlock the ability to burn stored fat for energy effortlessly and sustainably. You are literally cleaning your cellular locks. As your receptors become more sensitive, you will notice your energy levels and mood improving every single day. No matter where you are starting from, your body can improve. Every meal is a new opportunity to send the right signals to your genes and cells. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be better than yesterday. Focus on adding these superfoods into your life one step at a time. The more you understand about how your body works, the harder it is for marketing companies to sell you unhealthy, processed, fake health foods. Switching your soda for vinegar-infused sparkling water is a game changer. It satisfies the craving for bubbles while actively helping your body heal its insulin receptors. Sulforaphane also tells your liver to stop overproducing sugar. This is especially helpful for those who wake up with high fasting blood sugar levels in the morning. Always grind your flax seeds fresh. This unlocks the healthy oils and prevents the seeds from passing through your digestive system completely. Whole and unused, simple swaps make a huge difference. Replacing high glycemic grains with fiber-rich alternatives keeps your energy stable and prevents the dreaded afternoon slump and brain fog. Stress is a hidden sugar. High cortisol levels can raise blood sugar just as much as a donut. Remember to manage your stress to protect your metabolism. Keep your sprouts cool and dry. Proper storage ensures that the precious enzymes remain active until you are ready to chop and consume them for health. Be your own health advocate. Read the studies, ask questions, and never stop learning about the incredible biological machine that is your own human body. Smoothies can be a great way to hide superfoods. Adding chia and sprouts to a berry smoothie creates a delicious, low-sugar breakfast that fuels your brain. Lowering your insulin levels also boosts your immune system. High-sugar environments weaken your white blood cells, making it harder for you to fight off infections. Time-restricted eating is a powerful tool. Giving your pancreas a 16-hour break every day allows it to repair and recover its natural, healthy function. Your heart will thank you. Reversing insulin resistance lowers blood pressure and improves your cholesterol profile, significantly reducing your risk of heart attacks and strokes. The best time to start was years ago. The second best time is right now. Go grab a glass of water and start your journey toward health. You will see the changes in your skin, your eyes, and your energy. Metabolic health reflects on the outside what is happening on the inside. Protect yourself with nature's best. These superfoods are not just food. They are information for your cells to function at their highest possible biological potential. Choose organic when you can to avoid pesticides that can disrupt your endocrine system and worsen insulin resistance. Quality truly matters for your healing process. When your cells are sensitive to insulin, your mitochondria produce energy cleanly and efficiently. You will feel a natural, steady energy that lasts all day long. Whether you are 20 or 80, your metabolism can improve. It is never too late to start feeding your body the nutrients it needs to thrive. Sugar has many names. Being able to spot hidden sweeteners like agave or rice syrup is essential for staying within your metabolic goals and avoiding spikes. Peace of mind comes when you know you are taking care of yourself. Physical health is the foundation for a happy, productive, and truly fulfilling life. To summarize, use vinegar to prime your cells, eat sprouts to protect your pancreas, and use seeds to stabilize your daily blood sugar levels naturally. Great things come from small beginnings. A handful of sprouts and a tablespoon of vinegar today could add years of health to your future life. You have the power to change your health destiny. Take these tools, use them well, and watch your body transform from the inside out, starting now. For more detailed guides and scientific references, check the links in the description below. Knowledge is the first step toward true metabolic freedom and health. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more science-based health tips. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep moving forward every day.